How to create and set up a Shopify store on mobile devices. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set up your Shopify store on your phone. So let's get started. Now, people have complicated Shopify far too much. And I think that if you're just starting out your brand and you just want a simple e-commerce platform, then you can get started with your phone. So the first thing is to silence all of your notifications because we're gonna get started with building our store without any disruptions. Then you're going to go into your app store. So you can just search for your app store here and search for Shopify. And you're going to download this application, which has been created by Shopify. If you're on Google Play Store, you will also have this application available. Once you've installed it, you're just going to open it up and it's time to create our Shopify account. Now to create our Shopify account, all we need to do is have an email address. So we're going to click on Get Started and you can sign up, or if you have an account already, you're going to click on Sign In. Now I already have my Shopify account, which is why I'm going to select Google as the way to log in because I've used it in the past. And I'm just going to go into my keyboard over here, then click on Next. Once we do that, we're just going to proceed with our login on Shopify, and your sign up is honestly going to look pretty much the same. And once we have done that, we can get started with building our store. Now, I have 2 active stores, but I'm looking to build a brand new store today. So on the top right, I'm going to click on this plus icon. So once I click on this plus icon, I will have a onboarding Q&A with Shopify, which I'm going to skip. Once I do that, we're going to add where our business is located. Let's say our business is located in Canada, and then I'm going to click on Next. Once I do that, I can proceed with building my store with our plan. Now, Shopify is free for the first 3 days, and then it's going to be $1 a month for the first 3 months. But I'm just going to skip this for now, and we're just going to proceed with their free version for the first 3 days. And now let's get started. Now, the first step of getting started with Shopify is adding your products, which can easily be done by clicking on your bottom tab. And in your bottom tab, first you have your orders tab, then you have your products tab. So you're going to click on this and then click on add your products. And then you have your media files where you can upload images. You can select your photos which you want to add. You can select camera photos, or you can also choose to upload photos from another device, or if you've already uploaded, or if you have a lot of content that you want to upload, you can bulk upload in the media section as well. Then you're going to add a product, so product title. So for us, this is going to be our baby lip gloss. And I'm going to add a description. Now, when you click on the description, you can click on this icon on the bottom right. You can see the purple icon, which allows you to basically generate a description with AI. I'm going to click on this, which this is going to be a non-sticky kissable lip gloss. And then I'm going to click on generate text. You can choose the tone. You can add any special instructions if you want. And then we're going to click on keep, and then I'm going to click on save. Then I can choose a category as well, and then I can enter the price. So let's say the price for this product is $10. We can also add our cost per item, which can help us in deducting our margins and our profits. Then I'm going to click on save. Once I do that, I will have my sales channels. So by default, you will have 3 sales channels. You will have your online store and shop, and then you have a point of sale system. Then you can add variants. So if you have any type of variant, color, sizing, materials, packaging, add-ons, you can usually do that over here. You can click on the variant option, and let's say I have color as the name. And the first value is going to be our baby me pink. Let's say that's the first shade, and the second shade we have is, let's say, peachy pie. And these are our 2 lip gloss shades which we can add. We can also select a representative image by clicking on the variant section, and we can select the variant images and the variant stock as well. Click on your inventory to add the inventory of both of the variants, and I'm going to add 500 each, and then click on save. Once we've done that, we can choose the type, vendor, collections, and tags we want to add, and then just click on save on the top right. And just like that, our first product on our store has been completed. Now, step by step, you can add as many products as you want. Once you've started adding your products, you can click on collections to start categorizing them in collections for easier browsing of your website. Usually your collections are going to be built on the hierarchy of product you have. So if I have only makeup products that I'm selling, I would usually divide them into eyes, face, and lips. And I can, build a tab, a separate collection for, let's say, hot sellers or new arrivals. Then on the bottom right, you will have your ellipses, which lead to your customers tab, content, finance, analytics, marketing, discounts, and your general settings. Then you have your online store. So you're going to click on online store over here, and this is going to be your default Dawn theme. So you're going to click on customize, and once you click on customize here, you will be able to get started with customizations. So this is our store, and we can see we have a password header. We have different sections. We can click on the sections on the bottom left and be the first to know when we launch. I'm going to exit this, and I can click on manage all themes to change the theme because I think I just want to switch it up today. I want to go back, scroll down, manage all themes. Once I do that, I can explore the Shopify theme store. So I want to use the Sense theme by Shopify. So I'm just going to click on add over here, and I'm going to add this into my theme library. Once it has been added to my theme library, I can click on publish to make this my active theme on Shopify. So let's just wait a couple of seconds for this to be activated. Now, once this has been activated, I can click on customize, and then this, I'm going to allow third-party cookies. Allow. Once I do that, we can proceed with our edit. So from here, we're just going to allow all of these options. Then from here, I can click on edit, and I can select the section I want to edit. You guys can see once I scroll this menu up, I can select images. I can explore some free images. I'm going to select a woman's fashion image. Let's take this one, click on done, and I can add this as my background image. I can choose a banner style as well as the content, mobile layout, and more. Then if I scroll down, you guys can see this is what it's going to look like. It doesn't look to size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adapt it to the image, my banner, and now this looks way better. Now I can click on sections, add another section. If I want to edit any section, select the section and drag up your menu. Once done, click on save on the top right, and then you can click on exit. Now, once we've edited our store, added our first product, we do need to set up our own payment system for us to start accepting our Shopify store orders. And you do need to set up Shopify payments and a delivery system. So you can click on your bottom right and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will see payments over here. So just click on payments and enable whatever payment method that you want to allow. This could be cash on delivery, PayPal, or Shopify payments. Then if you go back, you can scroll down and then click on shipping and delivery and set up your shipping and delivery information. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.